In response to net zero and ESG trends, smart energy saving and low-carbon processes drive transformation, providing a breakthrough for waste heat loss. MIRDC developed the world's first EHE combustion system. It combines recuperative burners, smart control, and monitoring, sustaining near-original heat exchange performance. Recovered heat preheats air, reducing fuel use. Operates at 550 to 950 degrees Celsius for thermal processing. Ideal for heat treating high-strength light alloys such as aluminum, magnesium, and titanium. Also supports steel, casting, machine tools, automotive, and aerospace, helping industries adopt low-carbon solutions, advancing Taiwan's industry toward a low-carbon, sustainable future.